This is my little station here at Batlag Falls, and I checked out Daranak Falls earlier. I wasn't really a fan because it was too crowded. It's not that clean anymore. I mean, Batlag already has some trash.
Well, baka malunod ka dyan, ha?
Mababaw lang? But I still like it. I prefer Batlag over Daranak, to be honest. Just enjoying the view because I got no one to talk to. Got nothing else to do. My hiking partner is not here. Please come home.
Lapit ka daw! Sa ano po kayo, ma'am? Sa kasama niyo si... ano? Hindi, sila, anong ano? Ano, yung player ng volleyball?
Si Denise Tan po. Oo, kasamahan ko yun dati. Heading back home. There's a part that has no people. It's really nice. Walking or hiking back to my car. This looks fun, although I prefer like a less cemented road so that it's more challenging. But I'll take this. Okay, lesson learned. Not gonna go here on a weekend. It's too crowded. Best to go on a weekday, I think. And no need to ride a tricycle going to the entrance of the falls. It's a waste of money.